Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Victor. On today's vlog, I'm gonna be installing an aftermarket air filter on my 96 4Runner. It's gonna be my second mod after my 1.5 inch spacers. If you do like the video, please don't forget to hit that like button. And if you really are interested in future content, please subscribe. Thank you. So this is the brand I went with, Speed by Spectre. I know AutoZone carries this brand, but I was able to find it online for about 25 bucks, which was, you know, obviously way better than in the store, than cheaper. So Spectre, I could have went with K&N, but it's too expensive. So this is what it sounds like on initial startup. I'm gonna give it a couple revs, and then I'll do a couple shots from the back so you guys can hear the exhaust, how it sounds. It's completely stock, nothing's been modified on it, besides the 1.5 inch spacers and the air filter that'll be installed here. So here it is. So to take this one out, it's simple. You just pull the clips, put your guys down, put the clips, pull out this bad boy. So this thing is old, nasty looking. Oh wow. So it looks like it was made in China, obviously. It is from 12/15/2011. So I'm not sure if that's when this was put in. I don't know how long these last. But I mean, from the looks of it, this thing looks like it's never been changed. So I'm sure it's gonna breathe a whole lot better after I put the new air filter. So this is the new one. Alright. Oiled. Okay. Cool. So when I was looking this one up, it said it didn't fit my specific vehicle, but on the description, it said it was able to fit on my generation 4Runner, which is 96 to 2002. So as you can see, it has the little blades in the back, and so does this one. So they're fairly, they're similar, Now to put it on. Okay, so it's like mucky. Not sure why. Alright, we'll throw this bad boy in. As easy as that. It's nice and snug in there. I guess these guys right here will push down on this, on these blades, on those fins. And just double check again. Looks like we're good. Alright. Snap it in place. Okay. Well, that was pretty easy. And now for the real test. You're gonna see how it sounds. Hey guys, so there you have it. My second mod to my 4Runner. Should have been my first, being that it was the least expensive, but it is what it is. If I have to give any advice on aftermarket air filters, I think they're wonderful. I mean, as far as having to replace them every time you get an oil change, the OEM ones, the paper, these are way easier to manage, easier to clean, and you get way better throttle response as well, just because the engine is able to breathe that much more better. As you saw in the video, you can hear the before and the after. In the before, you can hear it sounds like it's muffled, like it's trying to breathe with its mouth covered. And then now with the aftermarket air filter, it sounds much better. You can hear more of the exhaust, which it doesn't have, but you can hear more of it. So definitely should be a first mod on any vehicle. It'll definitely increase MPG. I don't know how much, but it will. Again, throttle response will be that much better. So there it is. This is where I effectively end today's vlog. If you are new to the channel and you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. And if you really like the video, give me a thumbs up. Thank you.